Tourism has the power to transform regions by leveraging their physical geography assets, such as landscapes, natural resources, and geographical features. Sustainable tourism, with its emphasis on responsible practices, has become a vital driver in the development and preservation of physical geography assets. This video explores the critical role of sustainable tourism in enhancing and conserving these physical assets for tourism purposes. Firstly, sustainable tourism and physical geography assets. 1. Definition and principles. Sustainable tourism seeks to minimize adverse effects on natural environments and physical geography assets. Core principles include conservation, responsible resource management, and eco-friendly infrastructure development. 2. Balancing use and preservation. Sustainable tourism strives to strike a balance between utilizing physical geography assets for tourism and safeguarding them for future generations. Secondly, developing physical geography assets. 1. Landscape preservation. Sustainable tourism promotes the conservation of unique landscapes such as mountains, forests, coastlines, and deserts. This preservation contributes to the aesthetic appeal of a destination, attracting tourists seeking natural beauty. 2. Protected areas and national parks. Investments in the establishment and maintenance of protected areas and national parks conserve physical geography assets while providing opportunities for ecotourism. Activities like hiking, wildlife viewing, and camping generate revenue for asset preservation. 3. Geological and geographical features. Destinations with distinctive geographical features like waterfalls, caves, and canyons can develop eco-friendly tourism activities around them. Sustainable tourism ensures these features remain intact for future visitors. Following that, we have biodiversity conservation. 1. Ecosystem health. Sustainable tourism practices, such as responsible wildlife viewing and habitat preservation, contribute to the overall health of ecosystems. Healthy ecosystems support diverse flora and fauna, enhancing tourism experiences. 2. Marine and coastal assets. Sustainable coastal tourism includes measures to protect coral reefs, mangroves, and marine life. Snorkeling, scuba diving, and marine tours are designed to minimize harm to these assets. Now we move on to infrastructure and access. 1. Eco-friendly infrastructure. Sustainable tourism developments prioritize eco-friendly infrastructure, including lodges, trails, and viewing platforms. This ensures that visitors can access physical geography assets while minimizing environmental impact. 2. Responsible transportation. Ecotourism destinations often encourage responsible transportation options such as electric vehicles, bicycles, and guided tours on foot. Reducing carbon emissions and environmental stress on physical assets is a primary concern. Lastly, let us take a look at some case studies. 1. Iceland. Iceland's sustainable tourism approach includes careful management of its unique geological assets, such as geysers, glaciers, and volcanoes. Regulations and visitor education protect these assets from overuse. 2. Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands' commitment to sustainable tourism safeguards its extraordinary biodiversity. Strict visitor quotas, eco-certified cruises, and habitat restoration efforts contribute to asset preservation. In conclusion, sustainable tourism plays a crucial role in developing and conserving physical geography assets for tourism. By adopting responsible practices, balancing use and preservation, and prioritizing conservation efforts, sustainable tourism ensures that natural wonders and geographical features remain intact and accessible for future generations. This approach not only enhances the tourism experience, but also safeguards the long-term sustainability of the destination's physical geography assets.